Leo the lion was the king of the jungle. He was strong, brave, and had a golden mane. Tiggy the tiger was also strong, with stripes as beautiful as the sunset. They were both proud and thought they were the best. One day, they met at a watering hole. As they drank, they started to argue about who was stronger.
I'm the king of the jungle. Leo roared. No, I am. Tiggy growled.
A wise old owl hooted from a nearby tree. Why argue about who is stronger? She asked. Can't you be friends? Leo and Tiggy looked at each other. The owl was right. Being friends sounded much better than fighting. They decided to have a race instead. The winner would be the fastest, not the strongest. They raced through the jungle, jumping over logs and dodging vines. It was a close race, but in the end, they tied. They laughed and realized that being friends was more fun than being enemies. From that day on, Leo and Tiggy were the best of friends. They ruled the jungle together, protecting the animals and making sure everyone was happy. And they learned a valuable lesson: friendship is stronger than pride.